Geometry Class 7 Geometry Exercise 16b. First question. The two diagonals are not necessarily equal in a rhombus. For question number 2, we have got AC as 16 centimeter, which means half of it 8. AO is 8. So BD we have got 12, which means half 6 and 6. So take any triangle from here, any one of it, because as we know that the rhombus means bisect each other at 90 degree. So any one of a triangle. For example, if we are taking this, in triangle AOB, hypotenuse is AB. Hypotenuse is equal to root under B square plus P square. B means base, P means perpendicular. Base is 8 and P is 6. So 8 means 8 square means 64. Base is perpendicular was 6. So 6 6 are 36. If you add both of them, you will get 100. Therefore, the value of AB is 10 centimeter, which means the side of a rhombus is 10 centimeter. Same way here, question number 3, A, B, C, D. Both the angles are given, corresponding angles A plus B. As we know that if we add A plus B, that should be 180 by the property of co-interior angle. Property of co-interior. Co-interior angle. In place of A, 2x plus 25. In place of B, 3x minus 5. So 3 plus 2, 5. And 25 minus 5 will get 20. When it goes to the other side, becomes as minus. And this 5, you have to divide it. So our correct answer is 32 degree. The diagonal do not necessarily intersect at a right angle in a parallelogram. Here, same type of question we have got. Length is 4, breadth is 3 and the hypotenuse, that means the diagonal, is given as 25. Just now we have studied hypotenuse square is equal to base square plus perpendicular square. Hypotenuse 25 square, that is 625. B, that is 4x, 16x square plus 9x square. If you add both of them, you should get 25. Value for x is 5 here. So actually we have to find out the perimeter of a rectangle twice L plus B. If you add and solve the value of it, you will get it as 70 centimeter. Question number 6. The bisectors of any two adjacent angles of a parallelogram intersect at 90 degree. Question number 7. If one angle is taken as x, the other will be taken as 2/3 of the other, that means 2/3 of x. And as we know that if we add A plus B, that is equals to 180 degree by the property of co-interior angle. In place of x, AX, in place of B, 2x by 3. First of all, we have to take LCM and then we have to find out value for x. Value for x is 108 degree, then A means 108 and B means 72 degree. We have to find out the smallest angle, which is 72 degree. Then here, question number 8. The diagonal do not necessarily bisect the interior angle at the vertices in a rectangle. Question number 9. ABCD is a square. Square means all the sides are equal. So BC equals to AB, that means all the sides are equal in a square. Put the values of it and try to find out value for x. Question number 10. If one is x, other is twice less than 24 less than twice the x. As we know that A plus B equals to 180 degree by the property of co-interior angle, put all the values of it and try to find out values. So A is 68. Same way we can find out B, that is 2x minus 24. So the largest angle of both of them will get it as 112 degree.